This is icon number 2726, 75-ton Wabash press. Has 15 by 15 inch electrically heated platens, adjustable daylight from 7 to 16, currently set at 7, and the 8-inch bore cylinder has 7 inches of max stroke. It's got a relay control system, a couple temperature controllers, digital tonnage readout. We're going to show it go through a couple cycles here. Cure time set to about 20 seconds. Got to push the pound buttons to start the cycle, hold them till the clamp light lights up, and when the press time's out, it'll open and shut off. Press is going under full tonnage now. Time out, decompress. Do it one more time, same thing. The electric platens are also cored for optional cooling. That completes icon number 2726.